While you're in here doing your best Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf impression, that
Hola
project
chicos,
is beyond
el
tables.
día de
It's
hoy
out there trying to piss off everybody.
con una canción de Christian se llama A Thousand Tears.
Now? Let's go. Right now? Now? Jane, your mother and I have loved each other through it all for 40 years. And we want to wish you and George a whole lifetime of the same kind of love, joy, and devotion that we Cheers, everyone.
How can I love when I'm afraid
Se lastimó algo, When I first met Jane,
Yo estoy jugando con la bicicleta. Mateo Mateo, el que ve quiere la pelota. Mateo, es mi patito quiere. Mateo. Mateo, ¿quieres salir?
Are you ready? There you go, nice. Oh yeah, it's developing. It'll develop really fast. I got your wish ready? You know I'm gonna sing you happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You're welcome. Give us more. Tell me. Yes, come on. Go, get this. I'm just sending this to you, so don't worry. Yes.
I guess since you have to finish
Yeah.
really wanted to spend another birthday with him.
Maybe this year.
I mean, we had last year together too, when we were movie reviews and stuff, but
Yeah.
since I haven't really missed him lately, and I know he's been missing me much more, so yeah, I guess my wish is just that intrinsically.
Yeah. And maybe next birthday you guys will be here together.
Yeah, so I know.
Sorry. And let's hear it. One more present. Let's see that big one in the front. Yes, yeah. Don't worry about it. I got you. Heavy one. Oh, yeah. You like that? Remember your 21st? Someone gave us that at one of those tables? Yeah. I know. Later. Yeah. I don't know. It's expensive. That's all I know. Later. Definitely.
Okay, chicos.
What is it?
Y ya saben, igual.
I got from like a surplus thing. Yeah. Sorry. No, I think it's something else like right over there. Hold on. Yeah, just grab that one.
Wow.